Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to cancel an event on or invitation on Evite. So the first thing is you have to do is to log into your account. Then on the top right corner here, click on your profile, then scroll down and choose my invitations here, the first option. Once you click on my invitations, it should bring you to a page where you have all your invitations, uh, the ones you've sent out and the ones you've received. Now once the page is set, you just have to okay, I think I'm having now you just have to scroll and look for the events that you had. You can click on, once you've seen the event, let's assume I want to cancel this grad ceremony. Click on this option here, just after the manage event. You will see options here. You can either edit it, add guest, view invitation, copy invitation, or you can cancel the event. You can click on cancel and then your event will cancel. Good. And you click on yes. But since I do not want to cancel this for now, I will leave it. But you also just click on yes and you've cancelled your event that way. So if this video has been helpful to you in any way, let me know in the comment section, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.